Hello friend, welcome back to Ajada Study Hour. How are you? I hope you will be fine. In this video, we will be discuss on biomembrane, which is outermost covering of the cell. And this biomembrane also known as cell membrane by Nagley and Kramer in 1855 and also known as plasma membrane by Janet Plouffe in 1931. As this is outermost covering of cell, that means fats, just like this is cell and this is cytoplasm. In cytoplasm nucleus and so on other cell organelles also present, and this is covering called cell membrane or plasma membrane. So this plasma membrane is actually bilayer of phospholipids. Just like this is a structure of phospholipid in which this type of orientation of their phospholipids, along which this is inner side, which is called a cytosol or cytoplasm, or this one is called extracellular part side. And within this phospholipid, a special protein which is membrane protein also embedded in between them. This type arrangement also present. And some proteins like tunnel, that means upper leaflet and lower leaflet connected by those proteins, which is called as tunnel protein. And along with this, carbohydrate also present in outermost leaflet, that means outer leaflet. This is carbohydrate structure, and a special molecule called cholesterol also present between them. Cholesterol molecule also present. So, and phospholipid structure, just understand, this one is called head, and this is called tail. This is head, or this one is tail. So actually this phospholipid bilayer is head, which is polar, and tail is which is non-polar. That means this part is polar and this part is non-polar. Polar part, so that this is hydrophilic, or this non-polar part is hydrophobic. That means they show affinity with water, and this non-polar show affinity with fats. Try to understand why they polar outward, because the extracellular as well as cytosol and intracellular space both have aqueous condition, so that this is environment is also aqueous and this environment is also aqueous. So this is a structure of biomembrane, and this model of biomembrane given by Singer and Nicholson, which is called fluid mosaic model of biomembrane. This is peripheral proteins, and this one is called integral protein, which help in transportation of molecules. So now we come on next slide. This is a structure of our biomembranes, plasma membrane, and different biologists given different model about the arrangement of their phospholipids, but most probable acceptable model given by Singer and Nicholson, which is called fluid mosaic model, in which two layer of phospholipids known as outermost leaflet and innermost leaflet, which oriented among them proteins also available, which is peripheral as well as tunnel proteins. This is outermost part proteins, which is specialized in periphery, so-called peripheral or extrinsic proteins, and those proteins which communicates outer and inner leaf, which is called intrinsic proteins or tunnel protein, which take participant in transportation across plasma membrane. As we know, plasma membrane is selective permeable, and they move molecules through these with the help of the protein. Now this cell membrane actually three types of particles such as lipids, proteins and carbohydrates, along with this one is also cholesterol. In lipids, three types will present: phospholipids, glycolipid and esterols. And this phospholipid form the structure of outer leaf and inner leaf. These phospholipids have three parts: fatty acid, alcohol and phosphate. Alcohol and phosphate group constitute a head part, which is hydrophilic, and fatty acid constitutes tail part, which is hydrophobic, and hydrophobic nature of the tail and hydrophilic nature of the head correlates outer and inner environment. That means this one is also aqueous and this environment is also aqueous. So that to maintain aqueous condition and with attachment, these heads are hydrophilic, and different type of transporting materials such as which may be polar and non-molar, which will be discussed on next video, which is specialized for transportation by plasma membrane. I hope this video will be satisfied you, and kindly like, share and subscribe this my channel. Thank you.